How to log into your FedEx Payroll account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let's head over to Safari for now. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for FedEx Payroll. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on the interface where you will be able to log into your FedEx account. Firstly, what you want to do is simply enter the username associated with your account. And once you are done, enter the password that you have created before. But if you have forgotten your password, then you can click on Need Help Signing In. Then you need to state the problem. Follow the on-screen process and recover your password. Once you have recovered, enter it in here. Once you have entered the email address and the password, click on Sign In. Then you will be successfully logged into your FedEx Payroll account and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to log into your FedEx Payroll account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.